Time for a few more. That sucks.
That's yeah. It's risky, but it does save something like 5 to 10 seconds
So,
if I go for
why do we
it.
need to follow
But
those wooden dolls?
The book said we have to make the two meet.
So what?
Let's just do it. We need Rose's letter to break the spell.
I practiced it and I got it like 5 times in a row, so I was like, yeah, I can do this in a run.
It's not like you can't get it. It's just you won't get it every time. It happens.
I must say, that looks pretty impressive.
Yeah, whoever designed this knew what they were.
Oh, that owl looks so crushed.
The voice lines are so fucked up here.
I'm going too fast.
Yeah. I like the new lineup you have for getting on in that.
I know, right? It's so much easier. One flat.
It's much better. One flat?
Yep.
This is it.
Gotta keep following those dolls.
Time loss. Kappa.
Oh, the house is on fire.
Oh, I went slightly too far.
Success once again.
That's actual time loss.
Where they're going?
Like 3 seconds, I think.
That much?
That's a lot.
Nah, dude, that's
Probably a
not. That's 1 second.
Yeah.
Oh,
No time loss. Let's go.
Look at that.
actually time gain because I jumped up again and then I had perfect timing on the
Time
seconds.
gained.
Here you go, little fella.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's when your pig is gone. When yours is out of the way, then you can grab.
Okay, let's get this.
All right. Now, you just open this gate. Should be a breeze.
I restarted checkpoint. I remembered. Oh. I remember
we're
one
at the
thing, but I forget the next.
We're at the same pace as last run.
It's good. We gained the second in the first flip.
Yeah, and then we lost
the
it. Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa! They can fly!
Of course they can. They're birds.
Yeah, but they're made of metal.
So are airplanes, Cody.
Okay, smarty pants. But these aren't machines.
They're flying bird machines.
Hope that wasn't too slow.
No, we're good. Oh, that was a weird slide from me.
Oh my god. And I didn't forget to skip.
Let's go.
Let's see
Fire
what
in
you
the hole!
can do.
Got one. Oh, it's
Oh, you actually beat me.
Look at that tower. We might be able to land on it.
Very good.
Mm-hmm. The bird on top.
Yeah.
Creepy cavern. Let's get out of here ASAP.
We have to solve the puzzles first.
You sound so enthusiastic.
Oh yeah, those symbols look so intriguing. I wonder what they are. Looks like we can slam these in. Oh, fancy seeing you again.
Well, I thought I'd make time for you.
I got lost.
It's fine.
Okay. I'm just gonna grab one.
Oh, I fucked up.
Grab another.
That was so bad. Okay, so never just go for one. Because we have to wait here anyway.
Bubble is gone.
Okay. Let me down, let me down, let me down.
I somehow managed to shoot my first one without locking on to the tower.
Yeah, I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, me neither.
I didn't know you could throw one and miss.
Okay. 3 seconds behind our goals.
Hey, do
That's not
something.
bad.
What? Me? You do something!
Wow, I didn't die. Let's go.
Someone help!
That's
3
our
seconds behind.
3 seconds gained already. Let's go.
Okay.
What a magnificent place!
Yeah, and cool mechanical parts.
With no real functionality. This place is beautiful, but it doesn't make any sense.
Why do you always have to make sense of everything?
Well, someone has to.
Oh yeah.
And I know it's not you.
Tired.
Maybe you can't
Dude,
explain
and it's not even
everything
late
that
for
happens in
you.
life.
No,
I don't
it's
like
not.
that thought.
Okay, I'll get the reset.
Yep.
I feel like I'm gonna do it too early at some point.
Hey,
Good luck.
Keyholes! Seems like we're gonna need some keys.
Let's go.
I can see the keys.
Oh, look, keys.
I got scared you didn't die.
I think. Okay.
What?
Gotta be careful with grabbing that too early. The key needs to be its full size, otherwise you sometimes get
Yeah.
stuck.
Okay. We'll fight, we'll fight.
Oh, easy, bull, easy. I'm not really red. I'm more like orange.
I don't think the bull cares, Cody.
May, maybe you can trick him with your top.
Yeah! With
That stone plate looks like it could hurt it. Oh, here he comes, May.
that should have done it!
Looking. Oh, it's gonna charge.
Oh my
Yeah, you were
God.
standing right under it.
That sucks.
Watch out, May.
We'll keep it going.
Yeah.
Finally! It's
Yep.
down!
Oh, that.
On my screen it didn't show me.
Oh,
That you
got
up there?
exhausted.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So I tried bringing it back down. It's so hard.
Go.
You good?
Wait for the doors. Yep. Good shit.
Let's wait for the dolls though.
Yeah, just a bit.
Oh, I don't have a good feeling about this.
Yeah. That's the great part about that death warp.
Hey, you're supposed to calm me
They don't
down.
have to go all the way to the end.
The dolls just stop,
This
yeah.
walk is going to slice us into pieces.
Okay. if you
Alright,
can't calm me down,
let's
please,
not.
just
Let's not stand in the same place.
Just don't trip.
Yeah, I'll go over here.
I'll restart checkpoints at the end.
Yep.
You're doing really well. Keep this up.
You keep up. I'm like a pogo stick here.
Works for me because I don't know where to restart.
I mean, it's just waiting for the saving, but
Oh shit.
pretty much when the doors open.
Oh my god.
Good.
Stop dying.
Right there.
Oh wait. Yeah, I didn't know you could do that there.
Yeah, then you get here.
Oh my god. Forgot about this section.
Yeah, I was looking at your screen. I almost fell.
Playing it safe.
Okay, get this one. Nice.
Perfect. We both made it.
Yeah, pretty sure we could have been one cycle faster, but at least we both got the same cycle. Oh my
Oh
god.
my
It
God.
didn't grab that on my screen.
I didn't grab it on my screen either.
What the fuck, dude?
I hit the button last second. I forgot what button I was supposed to press. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my god.
Isn't this one nice like the other?
If we would have lost a run on that, I would have been a bit mad.
I forgot what button I was supposed to press.
Oh
I was spamming dash.
my.
I was spamming
Okay.
my dash button. And I was like, wait, it's F. Oh my god.
Once again, we're running out of real estate.
We're not trying to hurt you.
Oh, how do we stop it?
I'll restart.
Sorry.
How did you spawn ahead of me?
What?
You spawned ahead of me.
Look out!
Yeah.
The clock tower of doom!
Hold on.
Oh. That would have been bad.
I thought I died. I thought I died there.
I don't know, dude.
Okay, so while we're falling through this, can you explain the last part?
So, okay, in the very beginning, I'm gonna jump on the wall, so you're not gonna move anything.
Attack me!
right?
What do we do now?
And once I'm up, then you're gonna make sure that
Quick, Dad!
that the vertical wall is close enough for me to jump on it.
I am not seeing the
I'm gonna
The
then
backside of the.
I'm thinking.
the back side.
Okay.
Faster, please!
And then I'm gonna jump and touch it, and then you're that's gonna set my respawn point on the top of that. Then you're gonna move your time thingy to the 4th point.
From the left.
Yeah,
4th point from the left. So okay.
and
1,
then
2,
after that is
yep.
to 1 and then to 5.
Okay, I'll do left.
Yeah.
I'll do the left one.
Look out for them!
That's scary as fuck. I'm going down. Alright, I will do top left.
Yeah.
I'll do top left.
I go down.
You go down. I go up.
I think we're stuck in a loop. Oh, how do we make it
Okay.
stop?
Alright, I won't touch anything.
Yeah. The place for the first one is just visual, so
Yeah. I know where that's at. It's
Okay.
just.
No, you don't! Cody?
yep.
Are you okay? Are you doing this?
Yeah!
Okay,
well,
go.
I'm trying my best. I just don't know how long I can hold it for.
Good.
Alright!
No, what are you doing? I needed that. Okay, go to 1.
1.
Stop. Okay, 5.
Oh my fucking god.
Jesus Christ. That was the reason that you had to put it on 4, because so then I can immediately jump off.
Oh!
Take this, fuck!
I didn't know that.
Holy crap! That's a big explosion!
1708.